Thank you, sis, for joining. I appreciate it. We have to do a lot of things today. We have finished our first batch of making our BBQ and eating them with my family here. So now we are going to enter to make our jollof rice. After making our jollof rice, we make our smoothie, yeah? So we have a lot of things to prepare today. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Kindly subscribe, share, and as well give me a thumbs up for this video. Make this video to go viral. Yeah. So now the proper food is on the way. Let's just get started. I've already cleaned my pot. I'll be making a small jollof rice, not too much. Jollof rice we're going to eat, finish maybe today. Yeah, done. It's not going to be much. So just make a small jollof rice. And here is my jollof rice. That is my rice. I soaked it in the water. Just remove the water for it to be a little bit soft to cook fast. Yeah. And I have chopped my onions. So I'll get my cooking oil. Yeah, I'll be making use of my Rapsol oil. Rapsol oil is a nice oil for cooking. It has a lot of omega-3 in it. So we get our pots dry out from water before we get it. Let me put this inside the fridge. So guys, without wasting your time, I'm going to also put some celery. Now I cook with celery, cooking jollof, stew with celery. You can try it, it's very nice. Get your celery, some sticks, wash it very properly, blend it, or you can chop it. Easy to cook jollof rice. It's very, very nice for jollof rice, very good for stew. Can as well blend it and drink. It helps you to lose weight, can as well help you to control high blood pressure. It can help you in a lot of things. It's very nice, guys. Okay, it can also give you a smooth skin. It helps to smooth your skin, guys. Yeah, so I will get it washed, and yeah, I'll get it chopped out. So I get my oil, a little bit of, but I don't cook with too much oil, guys. I don't know, you do cook with too much oil. I say I am in the trend, not hearing you. Oh, really? Sorry for that. Anyway, it's no problem. Hi, Lifestyle. Say hi. Thank you, Lifestyle, for joining. Let me know where you are watching me from, Lifestyle. Thank you for joining, guys. I appreciate you for being here. I cannot take you for granted, okay? I appreciate any one of you that decided to join my live stream. Yeah, thank you. Please, if you are joining, don't forget to like. You can as well share the video for us to enjoy together. Let other people join us so that we can be more in the house. So try and come bring it. Thank you. Welcome. So then my oil is getting, oh yeah, I have to reduce the oil and the heat. Oh, Lifestyle is watching from US. Thank you, Lifestyle, for watching, for joining from